Hi guys, SethX6 here, and this is my daily Rubik's Cube solve. And the way I get my scramble is I close my eyes and randomly turn the cube. Okay, so this is a scramble that I got, and let's begin. I'm not too excited about look ahead, so I will begin now. 3, 2, 1. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Um, so I'm at the point in my cubing hobby where I feel like I'm not really getting better. No, it doesn't matter how much I practice. I feel like I'm stuck at about 50 seconds to like a minute and 10 seconds. Like I fluctuate between there, and like I practice every day. I practice my F2L, I practice my 2 look. If you guys have a scramble you want me to solve, leave it in the comments. Thank you.